Well, look at this. And this. Don't forget this. How about this? Oh, this one too. And this. And what is all this, you might be asking yourself? That's changing a cabin air filter on a 2016 Cruze. I don't understand. You want to see how I got here? Stick around. You'll find out. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Well, welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. If you haven't been here before, what's up, man? Really? I mean, honestly, why haven't you been here before? Maybe I just haven't hit on a subject that interests you or that you're trying to do. So today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter on this 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. I was blown away by how involved it actually is, and it's not a really easy thing to do or a really easy thing to figure out how to get in there and how to get the filter out. Hopefully I'm going to show you really quickly on how to pull that out of there. Filter had never been out of it, and I took it out and it was a mess, and it was plugged. So yeah, why don't we just jump right in. The only tool I'm going to be using today is this. I also have a 8mm or a 7mm, hang on, I believe. So this is a 7mm socket. I just have it on my drill driver, and I have this plastic tool to remove plastics with. So let's jump in there and I'll show you guys right now. All right, so here we are inside this 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. First thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing the fuse panel right over here on the center console. So because the air filter or the cabin air filter isn't behind the glove box, first thing we're going to be doing is removing this piece of trim right here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little pull handle up on the top, and all you're going to do is you're going to pull down. Now it might feel really tight and then it pops off. You're going to tip it forward and pull out. So that's piece number one. Next thing we're going to do on this Cruze is on each side of the center console, there's these panels right here. These come off fairly easy as well. Just usually grab them from underneath. Just going to give them a gentle pull, tug, and they pop off like so. And you're going to move these out of the way and put them aside. All right, now on the driver's side, it's a little bit different. It's kind of similar. I'll try and show you guys here with the light from the actual drill here. There is one 7mm bolt right up at the front by the gas pedal. Remove that guy. Reach down. Grab your panel like so. And just pull away. So this one is kind of easy as well. I'm going to reach in on both sides here. And I'm just going to grab onto the edges. I'm just going to pull up. So out. Like so, and up, and this just falls down like so, and that's another piece. Are you asking yourself, what did I get myself into yet? I did. All right, here we are. We're back on the passenger side. There's a side cover right here. This one needs to come off. Here again, we're just going to be grabbing it. It's probably easier if we open the glove box. And we're just going to be grabbing it on the side and pulling straight out towards us. Oh, that hurt. And then it flips backwards like this. And another trim piece. All right, so these are pretty obvious. One screw here, one screw here. And when we open the glove box, another 7mm screw here, another one here. But the trick is, if I can show you, there's another screw right here going straight up. So if you forget that screw, that's not coming out. All right, so we're quickly going to be zipping these screws out of there. Again, one over here. All right, so we have our 5 screws out. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening the glove box. And on this side here, there's just a couple of little pull, they're like little locks. I'm just going to pull out on them, just like so. And then the glove box should just pull out gently. All right, maybe not all that gently, like so. And it drops down. And now we have access to our cabin air filter that's up here. All right, so cabin air filter is pretty simple right here. It's in this compartment. So on each side, there's two little legs that you're gonna pull out. And this little door just flips down like so. And this filter, theoretically, just pulls out like that. And that is your cabin air filter. You can see I didn't have one, so I couldn't replace it, so I vacuumed it and got it cleaned out. And everything to put it back together is just in reverse and very simple. We'll snap that back together like so. All right, and we are ready to reassemble. So there you go, folks. Cabin air filter 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. Easy? Yes. Involved? Yes. Chance of breaking something? Yeah, that too. So I hope you learned a little something today. It was my pleasure to show you guys this. And don't forget that if I can do this, anybody can. We'll see you guys next time.